More than 50,000 professionals chose Formlabs 3D printers to develop many of the great products you use every day. Now they can push their work even further. Introducing the Form 3 and the Form 3L. We've redesigned the print engine to make a leap forward in reliability and print quality, using linear illumination and a flexible tank to turn liquid resin into flawless prints. We call this Low Force Stereolithography, an advanced form of stereolithography that balances high detail and high speed. Use your time more efficiently with a printer you can trust to deliver results. Easily add printers to keep up with demand, and take advantage of an ever-expanding range of functional materials for rigorous testing and production. Collaborate across teams and locations as your business grows by starting prints remotely and moving through a shared print queue. Low Force Stereolithography was developed to scale. Now easily print large detailed parts in-house with the Form 3L. Whatever you're designing, wherever you're starting from, Formlabs tools help anyone make anything.